Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 27 of the practice final. Solve for y, 4y square plus 12y equal to negative 9. This can be done by factoring. So first step is to move the negative 9 to the left hand side. So we get 4y square plus 12y plus 9 equal to 0. At this point, you can factor the regular way, or I can show you another way of doing it. It is also factoring, but I think it is the shortest way of doing it. So 4y square, normally consider the first one and the last one. So 4y square can be written as 2y and 2y. 9 can be written as 3 times 3. Then what you may want to do is to cross these two. So if you multiply, that will be 6y, then 2y times 3, that is also a 6y. When you get 12y, which is the middle term. That is your check. So first you take the square term, and then factor it as 2y and 2y. The last term, 3 and 3. So if there is a change in sign, you have to adjust it. Same way you have to also look for the middle term. So when you cross multiply these two and add, that should agree with the sign and the value of the middle term. So now we call it X box method. And I just box this one with the plus in front because plus 3 was multiplied to get 9. So 2y plus 3. So you get 2y plus 3 times 2y plus 3 equal to 0 on the right hand side. So 2y plus 3 equal to 0, which will mean y equal to negative 3 over 2. That is a solution to the problem. So this is one way of doing the factoring. We just want to learn, just for fun, one more type of factoring, 12y plus 9 equal to 0. So what we normally do is the leading coefficient of the number in front of y square and the constant term, we multiply that. So 4 times 9, that will be 36. And you have to make sure that you break the middle term into two parts. It adds up to 12y and then multiply to 36y square, this number. So we want to split the middle term in such a way that it adds up to 12y but multiplies to 36y square. So it is 6y plus 6y, that is 12y. And plus 9, keep the 9 as 9, equal to 0. Now, whenever you have 4 terms, the factoring technique would be by grouping. So if you take the first two and bring the common factor out, it will be 2y plus 3 inside. Here, 3 is common, and 2y plus 3 inside equal to 0. So now, this 2y plus 3 is a common factor. So it is 2y plus 3 in both the terms. Then you are left with, from the first term 2y, from the second term plus 3. But if you notice, ultimately it is 2y plus 3 plus 2y plus 3, which is the same as what we got in the other method. So 2y plus 3 the whole square equal to 0, or 2y plus 3 equal to 0, which means y equal to negative 3 by 2. The solution is the same, but you can do them in two different ways. Hope this video